We're live.
We are live.
Getting ready for Jordan Sparks coming up in just a few minutes. Have a very special story to tell about RootsTech, so tell everybody your story.
Well, we first met 5 years ago at RootsTech at a luncheon. 3 years ago, we got married
here at RootsTech.
Here at RootsTech.
You got married here at RootsTech.
At RootsTech.
There's this line at the end of the two towers. There's some good left in this world, Mr. Ford, but it's worth fighting for.
Smile! Hey everybody, I'm here with Joyce, and she was just telling me something about research notes. So, you know, I advocate all the time to do research notes and how it'll change your life. Joyce, tell them what you just told me.
I dropped doing my family history for over 20 years, started back into it, found this wonderful individual.
You're so kind.
And
that's not what I asked you to talk about.
Absolutely phenomenal teacher, and she recommended research notes. And I now am a convert to doing research notes. I'm taking one direct line ancestor and putting everything into research notes, and I have found more things that I didn't realize I had until I did that. So she's converted me.
Thank you, Joyce.
You are
so
welcome.
There you go. If you're not into doing research notes, check out some of my videos on research notes because it really will change your life.
They do.
Hey, look who I ran into. It's Jarrett Ross.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
So if you're not familiar with Jarrett, he has his own YouTube channel, Rockin' Success. Tell everybody about what your YouTube channel is all about.
Well, I am the Genevlogger, and my YouTube channel is about genealogy, obviously. I focus a lot on Jewish genealogy, but lately I've been tracing the family trees of other YouTubers. And then if you like reactions, I do reactions to DNA test results. So you can learn more about DNA test results while also getting a fun reaction from a redheaded YouTuber. Oh yeah, always love running into Connie Knox at RootsTech.